everyone. Today we're gonna find out how to make a paper crown. What you're going to need is a piece of paper, any color that you want. It could be white or gold or pink or purple, brown, any color that you like. And you'll need something to write with, like a marker or a crayon or a chalk, and something to cut with, like scissors. This part requires a big person or a grown-up to be there with you to keep you safe. Remember, scissors are for cutting paper only. And then something to attach the papers together, like a glue stick or some tape, or even maybe staples if you have a stapler. I'm going to clip it to this board so that you can see what I'm doing. So you get your paper and your writing utensil. And you're going to draw a zigzag that goes up and down, up and down, up and down, like a mountain. So it's going to go up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And then we're gonna put the lid back on so your markers don't get dry until it clicks. That means the lid stays on, keeps it from getting dry so you can use it again. Then you're gonna take your scissors and your zigzag and you're gonna cut it out on the zigzag. Cut. Cut, 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 cut. And this part, you can go as slow as you need. You don't have to cut fast. Always make sure you're being safe. Cut. Now there's two pieces, 1, 2. You're gonna take one end and you can pick whichever side you like. I'm gonna do this side. And you're gonna glue it together like this, or staple it or tape it. I'm gonna use a glue stick. And just like the marker, make sure you put the lid back on so it doesn't get dry. Remember, glue is for making things adhere to each other, like this. It's not food. And then you gotta put it around your head and measure and see how big you need it to be. And you'll glue it again. And there you have a crown. And you can make it as big or small as you want. You can decorate it and draw on it. Maybe you'll use different colors to add fake jewels, or you can use stickers. I'm going to draw some gems on it. I have a circle gem and a square gem. You can do any kind of things you want on it. And then when you're done decorating, let it dry. Sometimes we have to wait and wait and wait. And then when it's all dry, you can wear it on your head. It can be a king or a prince or a princess. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed making a crown with me. Until next time, bye.